Welcome back to Day 5 of the 100 Days Manifestation Challenge. Today's focus is one of the most exciting steps in your manifestation journey: creating your very own vision board. This simple yet powerful tool can help you visualize and attract everything you desire. Whether it's a dream career, perfect health, or an adventurous lifestyle. By the end of this session, you'll have all the tools to design a vision board that truly aligns with your goals and dreams. Did you know that visualization is a cornerstone of manifestation? As Napoleon Hill famously said, in Think and Grow Rich, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. A vision board brings this principle to life, helping you focus your energy and thoughts on your goals. Take Arnold Schwarzenegger, for instance. Before he became a global icon in bodybuilding, movies, and politics, he visualized his success daily. His vision board was his mental image of standing on stage as Mr. Olympia. And guess what? He achieved it multiple times. Creating a vision board is easier than you think, and it's fun too. Here's what you need: a board, magazines or printed images, scissors, glue, and your imagination. Follow these steps. 1. Define your goals. Write down what you want to manifest. Break them into categories: career, relationships, health, or travel. 2. Find visuals. Collect images, words, or quotes that resonate with your goals. These could be photos of places you want to visit, inspirational affirmations, or symbols like a car for financial freedom. 3. Arrange with intention. Place the most important goals in the center and surround them with supporting images. This creates focus. 5. Add personal touches. Include your photo to make it more personal, and write affirmations like, "I am living my dream life." Take your time with this process. Your vision board is a reflection of your innermost desires. You might be wondering, how does a vision board actually work? The answer lies in psychology. It engages the reticular activating system, RAS, in your brain, filtering information to focus on your goals. For instance, actor Denzel Washington famously wrote down his dreams on paper, a technique similar to a vision board, and worked relentlessly until they came true. Creating the board is just the beginning. Here's how to make the most of it. Place it where you can see it. Keep it in a spot where you'll look at it daily, like your bedroom or office. Visualize every day. Spend 5 minutes visualizing each image coming true. Feel the emotions of achieving those goals. Update regularly. As you grow, your dreams might evolve. Update your vision board to reflect your new aspirations. Many successful people swear by this practice. For example, Beyoncé used visualization techniques to envision her groundbreaking Coachella performance long before it became a reality. Similarly, billionaire businessman Richard Branson credits his visualization skills for creating the Virgin Group empire. Now, it's your turn to join the ranks of these achievers. When you create a vision board, you stay focused. It's a daily reminder of your goals. Feel inspired. Seeing your dreams visualized sparks motivation. Manifest faster. Focused intention speeds up the manifestation process. Remember, a vision board isn't magic. It's a tool that empowers you to take action. Congratulations on completing Day 5. You've just taken a big step toward manifesting your dream life. Next up in Day 6, we'll dive into the power of affirmations, how to program your mind with words that works like magic. Don't miss it. Before you go, here's your challenge. Create your vision board and share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay on track with the 100 Days Manifestation Challenge. Let's make your dreams a reality together.